Let the cat out of the bag. To inadvertently expose something that was supposed to be kept hidden or secret. Let the cat out of the bag. To have a full plate. Being extremely busy with various tasks and responsibilities. To have a full plate. Stir up a hornet's nest. To provoke a strong negative reaction from others. Stir up a hornet's nest. Keep your chin up. Continue to hold your head high and stay optimistic, no matter the challenges. Keep your chin up. Jump on the bandwagon. To follow the crowd by doing or thinking something that is currently popular. Jump on the bandwagon. Make ends meet. To make just enough income to cover daily living costs. Make ends meet. Bite the bullet. Deal with an unpleasant task with determination and firm courage. Bite the bullet. Beat around the bush. To avoid giving a direct answer by being evasive and unclear. Beat around the bush. Break the ice. To start an interaction to help make others feel more at ease and open up. Break the ice. Miss the boat. To be too late to seize an important chance or opportunity. Miss the boat.